How to link Epic Games account and Fortnite account. First, make sure that you're in the Epic Games website and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're logged in, you just simply need to click on your name here at the top right, then click on account. Then it will load up right here. Just simply need to wait for a moment. And once it's all loaded up just like that, just scroll down and click on apps account and accounts here on the left side. And as you can see right here, there are tons of accounts that you could connect your Fortnite and Epic Games to. So let's say you want to connect it to your Xbox account, simply click on connect right here. And this will bring you to a new tab where you will need to just simply click on connect account. So let's say I want to connect to my Xbox network account, just simply click on connect. And there's a note which says once you've connected your Xbox network account to your Epic Games account, you will not be able to connect a different Xbox network account to it. So that's basically it. Click on connect account and you're good to go.